Hello everyone, welcome to education lecture. In this video I'll be teaching you how to write a job application letter. In your first PUC you would have learned to write leave letters, right? But in your second PUC they won't ask you leave letter, they'll ask you job application letter. So if you're new to my channel, then subscribe my channel to get further new updates. And you would have noticed in your first PUC only, in your 10th you would have learned till your 10th your leave letter format will be different when compared to your first PUC leave letter. So in your first PUC, whichever format leave letter you have learned, the same format is only the job application. The format is and all not changed, it is same format. So same job application, I thought this video will be helpful because in your second PUC also you will be getting job application, and when you search for a job, when you want to go to an other company as an employee, you have to give your job application and your resume. Resume is a biodata, that is we are telling about our whatever degree we have completed, which state we belong, so what is our name, everything they ask. So that is also there in this letter. It is not tough and all, it is very easy only. So let's get started. So same, you have to write XXX, Y, that is your name and your address. Then the date, whichever is asked in the question. Then to the person whom you have to send this letter is, you have to write the information which is given in the question. It will be given this information, date and the reference for the which post you are applying. Those and all will be given in your questions. I will show you. Just I am showing you the format first. It is given in your textbook, Streams grammar textbook. It is there in the last pages 96, 97. A separate part is only there, job application. So you can see in that. Those who don't have your textbooks can see in this video. So sir or madam, subject is application for the post of whatever they have given in your question, and reference in which newspaper it had come and on the which date. And I would like to say these three paras are very, very important. The same para is repeated in whichever qualification they ask. Only these change, the post and the degree or the whichever they may ask you the qualification, only SSLC is enough or PUC enough or a degree passed. So those will be changed, that's all. You can just by heart, if you know only by heart, or I won't say by heart, if you know only understand and thorough it, until your public exam or board exam, you will be fully thorough. So it will just, when you think about job application, yes, in response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of so and so. I have passed my first PUC or so not first PUC, PUC or degree with first class. So automatically it will come. So I thought from now only if you start to know in your public exam, it will be very easy. So in your response to your advertisement mentioned about, I am applying for the post of so and so, which is given your questions. Then I have passed my SSLC or PUC or degree with first class. I have taken a course of office management or whatever course they have given in your questions. So I am fluent in both Kannada, English, or you can write even Hindi, whichever you are fluent. Besides, I have an experience of 2 years as a junior assistant. You should have an experience also, right? Then only they will take you for a job automatically. I have enclosed my resume with this application. I hope it will meet your requirement. Thank you. Yours faithfully. Please don't put apostrophe S. That also they will cut you mark. So yours faithfully, signature you should put, any signature if you want. You have to put your signature, and it is your wish. First class. And whichever language you are fluent. If you don't know that language is also okay, but commonly which language is used here is Kannada, English, and commonly known language Hindi. So these three languages also you can write. In question only they will ask the fluent languages known by a employee of our company. Okay. So next is a resume. Resume they have given. So they have not filled this. We have to fill. So they have asked name, father's name, date of birth, permanent address, nationality, knowledge of language, education, qualification, and you have to fill this. You have to draw this. These and all you have to write on your own. So first you will feel it difficult, then when you are thorough with it, automatically you will get to know. Then experience, other interest or hobbies, place, date and your signature. So I have few questions on my own, whichever I have written. This question I will show you. First I'll finish this one. Yeah, this questions is commonly to know everyone. So ABC Bank requires assistant managers for its branch in Bangalore candidates between 22 and 25. So the main things and all you should get to know. ABC Bank requires assistant managers. This is an example. They may ask you anything. A lab assistant or an employee for so and so, sales manager, anything they may ask. So 22 and 25 years, between these years they want an employee. So qualifications was any degree. You might have studied BSc, BCom, BA, BBA, BCA, or you may have a master degree also, whichever it is, but they have asked any degree. Better you write in the, what to say, around the bachelor's degrees only, like BCA, BSc and all, from a recognized university or institution. So whichever institution or anything, your institution you can write, or university, whichever you are studying. Knowledge of English and Kannada. So as I told, right, languages they will only ask. English and Kannada is essential. If they ask Hindi, we can write. Or knowledge of languages, means you can write any language. That is 3 main languages, English, Kannada and Hindi. So interested candidates can apply within 10 days. 10 days you have given the time limit. Candidates can apply within 10 days to the HR manager. So to whom you have to give this is to a HR manager. ABC Bank, head office, number 19, Gandhinagar, Bangalore 1. The above advertisement appeared in the Times of India dated 25 May 2019. Write a letter of application in response to it. So they may ask you, you have to be careful with the dates. It may be any date. They may ask you the dates, and you have to, and they'll give you this newspaper names like Deccan Herald, The Hindu, The Times of India. So you might have noticed in newspapers and all, right, at a corner of or a sheet will be there. Employees needed, so and so companies. So in a corner you might have noticed these things and all. If you are not noticed, yes, you can go and glance at the newspaper if you like. So this is what the information is given in the question. So I would like to say this letter would come for 5 marks. 5 marks. Don't think 5 marks is less also. It is more. If you are very good at, suppose you score 95 in your exam and by mistake you lose marks in letter writing, this you might have feel, what, so easy letter I left off. 1 or 2 marks you would lose. Okay. So okay, stop silly quarrels. Okay. So yeah, you need not to write your name or address. No need to write. If you write XXX and XXY is enough. And you have to write the date. So they had given the date, right, 25th May. 25th May dated. So in the newspaper 25th May only it had come. That is, the advertisement had been placed down that day. So it is better you write the next day only. So they are given the time limit, right, 10 days. Some of the questions may have around 1 week or 5 days. So it is better 25th May, 26th. Be careful, you have to write the month. Need not write 26 bar 5 or 4 or those and all. Write full May, October, November, April, January, anything, any month they have given. So 26 May 2019. So to whom they have to give? The manager, ABC Bank, Gandhinagar, Bangalore. Okay. Now sir or madam, as we know, right, in letters, the person who is getting this, we don't know, right, he's a sir or a madam. So sir or madam, comma you have to put, and subject. In short you can write subject, and this is reference. So application for the post of assistant manager. They have asked in questions, right? We are searching for employees of assistant. Requires assistant managers. And the advertisement appeared in Times of India dated and so and so. So same only. You have to write. Application for the post of assistant manager. Reference. Advertisement in the Times of India dated 25th May 2019. So after the dated only we have written our application, the letter we have given. You may think that what next day only we should write. Your wish, within 10 days you have to write. I thought this would be so next day only, right? No need to count days and all, 10 days, that so and so. It will be difficult in your exam times. So next day if you write is better. So in response to your, same what it is. In response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of assistant manager. Then you have to leave one line. You have to not leave two finger place and all. Continuously you have to stick with the column only and write. I have passed my degree. So they have asked any qualifications among the degree. So I have passed my degree with the first class, full stop. I have taken a course in office management. So they have asked an assistant manager, right? So it may be regarding a management thing or so and so. So office management. I'm sorry, it shaked, I think so. Yeah. So I have taken a course in office management and full stop. I am fluent in both English and Kannada. Besides, I have an experience of 2 years as assistant manager. So it is, they would have asked in question, experience if required you can write. So it is better you write 2 years. It will be very easy for a calculation also. Then next they have told yeah. So I have enclosed my resume with this application. I hope it will meet your requirement. Thank you. So next page, yours faithfully, XXX. So resume. Actually, in your real life, when you write a job application, resume will be coming first. After that, you should write a letter like I have shown here. This letter. So first year, but don't get confused. In your PUC, you should write after the letter only resume. So name, XXX, father's name, ABC or something alphabet. You have to write 3 alphabets. Date of birth or age. So they have asked in the question around 22 to 25. Between these only we need an employee. So 25. Permanent address YYY. Okay. So we have written right XXX and YYY. The reason why 25 here is, so when you think you have studied BSc or BCom or any degree, there would be around 3 years. So 3 years, commonly for every degree we have 3 years. And in those 3 years, around now you think you are in second PU, your age would be around, some may have 17 or 18. So 19, 20, 21 you can put. So you will be finishing your degree 21, 22, 23. So 23, you think 18 only. 18. Okay, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then 2 years experience, 20 to 23. You can write 23. Also, if required. However, whichever calculation you are doing, if you are doing BSc or a master degree to 8, according to that you can do calculations and write. You have to calculate this also properly and write. Nationality, Indian. So you are an Indian. Knowledge of languages is English and Kannada they have asked. Then education qualification, PUC degree. Here I forgot to write. You have to write SSLC, PUC degree. 3 also you have to write. So name of the examinations, SSLC, PUC. I have written BCom because they have asked office management, assistant manager. So these business kinds are all come in BCom or BBA only. So I have written there. According to the employees, whatever employment they are asking, according to that you can change your degrees also. So board or university. So PUC is Karnataka board. I forgot right here. SSLC and PUC is Karnataka board. BCom is a Bangalore University. So year of passing also you should see. They have asked, when is this letter asked? 2019. So 2 years experience means, if you reduce the 2 years experience, 2017 we have fully finished our education. So marks are percentage 95%. It is your wish, you can write any percentage. Subjects, it is a BCom, right? So in that statistics, accounts, economics, business, computer science, those subjects would be coming. So I have written those subjects. I forgot to write here. I have put question mark. And your experience, that is 2 years, you should write here. Here I have missed it. Last letter which I will show, right, that fully I have written correctly. 2 years, 2017 to 19 in IT, whichever company you wish you want to work in your future, you can write. It is of your wish. No one will come and restrict you to write anything. You can write even 97, 98, 99 also percentage, whichever you wish, and whichever degree you want. But you have to read the question properly and write your degree, your qualifications. IT as an assistant manager. Other interest or hobbies you can write taking tuitions or going to part-time jobs when I am free or in your holidays, or whichever you are interested in your hobbies. Place, Y, date, date you have to write the day which you are writing the letter. So here this day you are writing your letter, and don't get confused. Y is your place and X is your name. Okay, so you have to write the day. Don't get confused. The day only, the day which you are writing the letter only you should write. So X your sign, whichever design you want you can put. And this is also another question. Same, office assistant. Here they have asked with computer knowledge and fluency in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Kannada. So we have to apply for managing director, Sri Mata Technology. See, if you are very thorough with the letter, that is job application, as soon as you see the questions, main points and all you will get to know. That is, see, they need qualification, PUC, for first class, English, Hindi, Kannada. Then we have to apply for Mata Technologies Limited, Abhi Towers, Mysore Road, Bangalore. Then the application advertisement was there on Deccan Herald, and on the date was March 7th. Okay, so they will write X for name and Y for address. So the date same only. The next day I have written, and same it comes, only same for the post of office assistant, and the newspaper name has changed, and same here the qualification has changed. I passed my PUC. I am fluent in English, Hindi and Kannada, and with computer knowledge. They have asked you computer knowledge, that also, and 2 years experience is more than enough, because it will be very tough for your calculations. So I have enclosed my resume with this application. I hope it will read your requirement. Thank you. Yours faithfully, X. So 20, as I told you, 18 years when you finish your PUC, 19, 20. 2 years experience, 20. Correct, over, 2 years. Okay, same, see, PUC is a Karnataka board, and your year of passing you should write, because why it has come, 2016 they have given. The advertisement appeared 2016. So you have 2 years experience you have done. 2 years experience if less, don't get confused. 2 years experience, 2016, 15. So 2014 you have finished your education. 2014, that's all. Easy for your writing. So these are the questions, similar, same only. Yeah, this is your textbook question. This I think that marketing managers, Malaya Hospital, something they have asked, right, in the textbook. So same, they have asked the degree or diploma, and with 5 to 7 years experience, preferably in the hospital. In a few hospitals they may ask for any preference. Yeah, but I have written 5 years only. Maximum they have asked that only, right? So same you have to write. Whichever hospital they have asked, marketing manager. So again it is around like a business thing, like pass the degree, course is marketing manager. Besides, I have an experience of 5 years as a marketing manager in family hospital. Whichever hospital name you want, you can write. Marketing manager. Yeah, family hospital. Wait. I think so. This. Yeah, you have to write only assistant manager. Experience of 2 years as assistant manager, but here in this question, right, they have told in experience as a family hospital. So they have given in questions, I have written. Same you have to write, thank you. Name, address, yeah, date of birth or age. So I think 5 years, right? 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yeah. If you think you have finished your degree around your 24 or 23 years, if you count from there 5 years, you'll get 29. Please don't forget, don't confuse. Easily, if you write, if they have asked you, you need a qualification of 5 to 7 years experience, then you can do, or else write 2 years only is more than enough. So it is like marketing thing, like business things. So I have written BBA, Bangalore University, 5 years, 2000, so to this 2013 to 2018 I have written. In family hospital as a marketing manager. Other interest or hobbies, place I have written so and so. And this type of question also will be asked, like they are asking you an employee from an Navdanya farm. So same, they need a BSc agricultural graduate and was completed. And Hindi, Kannada and English is essential. Within a week you have to give to Vandana Shiva, you have to send a letter. So like this also question is the reason why I am showing so many letters for you is same format, same, everything is same only. I forgot to leave line here. Sorry, I'm sorry. You have to leave line after this. So XXX, YY, the date was as, and we have to apply it to Vandana Shiva. 2. You have to write. Here I have written 2 because we can't write the Miss Vandana Shiva. So I have written 2, but for every letter you have to write the marketing manager, the some doctorate or something. The questions whichever they have asked in question. Same only you have to write. I have passed my degree with first class. I have taken a course of organic farming and biodiversity. I am fluent in Hindi, Kannada and English. I have an experience of 2 years as a trainee. So our post was training. We are applied for a trainee. Application for the post of trainee. So same only. Everything is same. BSc agriculture. So as soon as BSc, right? Yeah, BSc is I think 3 to 4 years. I don't know properly BSc. If you think it is 3 years, 23 and 2 years experience, 25 it will come. 4 years means 26. And subjects, I forgot to write. Same format. Now I will show you the confirm and definitely pakka format. If you can understand, please see, or please, sorry, you can see or you can just listen. Same XXX, YY. On the date they have asked, I don't have the question, but you can see the principal, Bajirao Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have little scribbled in hurry. I'm sorry for that. Technology, Govindapur, Hosur. So any number you can write. It is not confirm also after it. Leave one line. And sir or madam, leave one line. Subject application for the post of lab assistant. So there may be a science lab, botany lab, biology lab, any lab regarding even in commerce also we have business lab. So any lab may be there. So reference your advertisement in the Times of India dated 30 October 2018. In response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of lab assistant. I have then leave and write. I have passed my degree with the first class. I have taken a course of lab assistant. I am fluent in both English and Kannada. Besides, I have an experience of 1 year as lab assistant. Any year you can write. I have enclosed my resume with this application. I hope it will meet your requirement. Thank you. Yours faithfully. XXX. Then resume. Name XXX. Father's name ABC. Date of birth or age 22. Then permanent address YY. 22 is 18 second PUC. 19, 20, 21. If you have finished your degree, 3 years, 21, 22 for 1 year experience. Okay, so permanent address YYY, nationality Indian, knowledge of language English, Kannada, education qualification, first you have to write SSLC, forgot, SSLC, PUC, degree. You have to write everything because they may cut marks also. You might think, I have written everything, pakkali, fully I'll get marks. You have written only BSc and you have come. But also, I don't know how teachers check. Few teachers put question mark. Just no PUC. If you write PUC, they will put a question mark for SSLC. So better you write of 3 also. Name of the examination, SSLC, PUC, BSc. Board or university, SSLC and PUC is Karnataka board. Don't put up the flower bracket and write Karnataka board, Karnataka. If you need marks, you have to write detail everything. BSc, Bangalore University, year of passing 2013, and 2 years PUC 2015, and 4 years experience means 2018. Then marks are percentage 95, 95, 95, 95%. Subjects SSLC, Maths, Science, Social, English. PUC, Chemistry, Physics, Maths. Most of them no. Lab assistant means directly to track to the science the courses only. So Chemistry, Physics, Maths, and BSc, Chemistry, Physics, Maths, Computer Science. Anything you can write. Then experience 1 year. 2018 to 2019 in Ramaya Institute of Engineering and Technology as a lab assistant. This is confirmed. If you write only 1 year, you won't get mark. They will cut marks. Yeah, you have to write this. Next, yeah, other interests or hobbies. Taking tuitions from 6 to 9 p.m. for class 1 to 10. Place YYY date. The date when you are writing the letter. The date when you are writing the letter. If anyone comes and confuses also, don't get confused. The date when you are writing the letter only, you should write the date at the last. YYY, any sign. So you have to write in colons only, like a small division you have to write. Yes. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have understood the job application much better, and it will be very useful for you also. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get further new updates. And in my next video, I'll be showing you the question paper, that is the recently this year question paper. I'll be showing you in my next video, so that it will be very helpful for you people, you viewers, to everyone. So thank you.